What's up, everybody? Welcome to Stock Smarts. I'm about to show you why BGC and Cebu City are top contenders for Filipino-American retirees. We're talking luxury living versus beach paradise, and trust me, you're gonna want to stick around for this. Whether you're dreaming of a high-rise condo or a laid-back coastal vibe, I've got the inside scoop on where you should retire in the Philippines. Let's dive in and break it all down. Alright guys, let's kick things off with BGC or Bonifacio Global City. This place is like a slice of Singapore right in the heart of Metro Manila. You've got these sleek skyscrapers, wide roads, and man, the cleanliness here is next level. It's crazy how different it feels from the rest of Manila. Check this out. BGC is packed with high-end malls, luxury condos, and get this, even the sidewalks are top-notch. You've got expats from all over the world calling this place home, which means you'll never feel out of place as a Filipino-American. The international schools here, top-notch. And don't even get me started on the food scene. You can literally eat your way around the world without leaving BGC. Did you know that BGC has over 13 million square meters of developed land? That's like 3,212 acres of pure modern living. Now, let's hop over to Cebu City. This place is like the perfect mix of city life and island vibes. You're in a major urban center, but guess what? Some of the most incredible beaches in the Philippines are just a stone's throw away. I'm talking about places like Mactan, Malapascua, and Bantayan Island. It's insane how close you are to these tropical paradises. But here's the kicker. The cost of living in Cebu City is way lower than BGC. You can live like a king or queen here for about $1,000 a month. That's crazy, right? You've got all the amenities of city life, but you're not breaking the bank. Plus, the local culture here is so rich and welcoming, you'll feel right at home in no time. And get this, Cebu City has a population of about 964,000 people, making it big enough to have everything you need, but not so huge that it's overwhelming. Let's talk healthcare. Because, let's face it, as we get older, this becomes super important. In BGC, you've got world-class hospitals like St. Luke's Medical Center. This place is no joke. It's like stepping into a hospital in the States. The equipment is top of the line, and many of the doctors have trained internationally. Over in Cebu City, don't worry, you're not missing out. They've got some solid options too, like Cebu Doctors University Hospital. The quality of care is great, and you'll find English-speaking staff everywhere. But here's the thing. While both cities have good healthcare, BGC might have a slight edge when it comes to cutting-edge treatments and international accreditations. Cebu Doctors Hospital has 300 beds and is constantly upgrading its facilities to keep up with international standards. In BGC, you're looking at average monthly expenses of around 70,000 pesos. That's about $1,400. Now flip over to Cebu City and you can cut that budget in half. For about $1,000 a month, you can live really comfortably. You'll still have access to nice restaurants and good housing in Cebu, but you're not paying that BGC premium. It's like getting the best of both worlds. City amenities with island pricing. A nice meal out in BGC can set you back about 1,000 pesos, $20 per person, but man, the quality is worth it. In Cebu, you can get a fantastic meal for around 500 pesos, $10 per person. Pretty sweet deal if you ask me. And get this, you can rent a nice 2-bedroom apartment in Cebu for about 25,000 pesos, $500, a month, compared to 50,000 pesos, $1,000 or more in BGC. BGC is like this melting pot of cultures. The BGC Arts Center hosts over 100 events annually, from theater productions to art installations. Cebu's Sinulog Festival, one of the biggest cultural events in the Philippines, attracts over 1.5 million people each year. Talk about a party! You've got expats from all over the world, which means you'll never run out of interesting people to meet. Cebu City has this amazing blend of urban and island life. The expat community here is super active, with tons of social clubs and activities. There's always some event going on, whether it's an art exhibit, a food festival, or a concert. It's perfect if you want that cosmopolitan lifestyle. But what's really cool is how well it mixes with the local culture. You get to experience authentic Filipino traditions while still having that expat support network. In BGC, security is tight. We're talking 24/7 surveillance, private security services everywhere. BGC has over 500 CCTV cameras monitoring the area 24/7. Cebu City has been investing in its police force with a ratio of about 1 police officer for every 500 residents, which is pretty solid. You can walk around at night and feel totally at ease. It's crazy how safe it feels compared to other parts of Metro Manila. Cebu City is also pretty safe, especially in the areas where expats typically live. But it's more like your standard city safety. It's like Fort Knox, but way more fun. Crime rates here are significantly lower than in other parts of Metro Manila. You still need to use common sense and be aware of your surroundings, but it's not something you need to stress about all the time. BGC is like living in the future. The roads are wide and well-maintained, the internet is super fast, and you've got all these smart city features. It's crazy. There are even sensors to monitor air quality and traffic flow. BGC has over 13 kilometers of bike lanes and pedestrian-friendly streets, making it super easy to get around. Cebu City is making big moves too. They've got a 2025 budget of 17.9 billion pesos focused on improving infrastructure and essential services. Plus, the shopping malls here are insane. You can find pretty much anything you want. What's really cool is how you can go from city life to island life in no time. It's this unique mix of urban convenience and natural beauty. Here's the thing, guys. Choosing between BGC and Cebu City really comes down to your personal style and what you want out of retirement. If you're all about that cosmopolitan lifestyle, with all the bells and whistles of a first-world city, BGC might be your jam. But if you're dreaming of a more laid-back vibe, where you can hit the beach on a whim and your money stretches further, Cebu City could be calling your name. Think about what matters most to you. Is it having world-class amenities at your fingertips, or being able to enjoy a slower pace of life with nature nearby? At the end of the day, both BGC and Cebu City are awesome options for Filipino-American retirees. They each have their unique flavors and perks. My advice? If you can, visit both places before making your final decision. Spend some time in each city, talk to the locals and expats, and really get a feel for the vibe. Trust me, there's nothing like experiencing a place firsthand to know if it's right for you. And remember, no matter which city you choose, you're in for an amazing retirement adventure in the Philippines. Alright guys, that's a wrap on our BGC versus Cebu City showdown. I hope this helps you get a better idea of what each place has to offer. Remember, retirement is all about living your best life, so choose the spot that feels right for you. If you enjoyed this Stock Smarts video, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more finance and investing content. And hey, drop a comment below if you have any questions or if you've had experiences in either of these awesome cities. Until next time, keep exploring and thanks for watching.